Hi, I'm Gordon Betts, U.S. Navy veteran. I'd like to introduce you to a great tool to teach your kids and instill pride in their nation. United We Color, Patriotic Fun for Kids. A great coloring book for kids of all ages. Some of the images are very simple for the younger kids, maybe the 6-year-olds. There's others that are much more complex. Arlington National Cemetery. Think about what the opportunity is to teach your kids about patriotism and sacrifice. There's a simple soldier image. There's the Capitol building. Think about so many of our important national institutions. There's the Supreme Court. The tomb of the unknown soldier. Important people as well. Abraham Lincoln, Harriet Tubman and the Underground Railroad, Dr. Martin Luther King. There's so much that kids can learn from this book. So don't waste time. Get a copy of this book, entertain your kids, educate your kids. Take advantage of this now. Thanks.